up, people? So you know, I'm at the feeding station. The S4 is hungry again, as always. A little chilly out today. Damn, we need a little wash out here this way, guys. The fuse is dirty, everything dirty. But meet over one of my boy here. He just picked up a RS3. Currently don't have an Instagram yet, so I can't shout him out yet. But he's gonna make an Instagram page soon. And he said, I think he might be making a YouTube too as well. Making videos on the RS3 and whatever, you know what I'm saying? But I'm about to head there, check it out, test drive it. He literally just got it this morning or whatever. And he told me like, yo, you gotta come check this thing out, come drive it and stuff like that. So he's gonna toss me the keys. So I don't think I've ever driven a RS3 before. Not even an A3 or S3. They're nice as shit though. I think the S3 is like what, so 4-cylinder or whatever. But the RS3 5-cylinder turbo, that shit nasty. I've heard about that car a lot. Like them things move, man. Like them things scoots. But yeah, I'm about to go and meet up with him right now. He gotta run some errands with it, so I'll probably take the car for a little bit. And yeah, man, I'm excited to drive the car. I've never driven one, like I said, so it'll be my first time, right? Shit, I might get one myself. Who knows? Just kidding. I love this S4. He wants a second opinion and, you know, a second look at it as well. So why not? It's exciting. And we'll probably hit up the meet today or something tonight. I mean, but yeah, who knows? Let's see what's going on. Guys, I'm whipping the RS3 right now. He just picked up this RS3. Pretty nice. I just pulled over to a random gas station because it is kind of dark out, so like, you know, gas station light be hitting and stuff. You know what, let me pull to the damn gas pump actually. So it's all white. I think I got the 19-inch wheels on there, not bad. Little spoiler on here. Okay, RS3. Taillights looks pretty mean. It looks like it's lowered. I'll probably come that way. Damn. Should look pretty. Got a clear bra on there already. Okay. Dan Williams, congratulations, my buddy. You just need some wheels on here and you'll be good to go. And these things are nasty too. You probably need a good detail too, my man. Inspection is dead, bro. 12. No, oh wait, no, it's not. Panoramic sunroof. That's nice. Inside's pretty good. Spacious. Pretty nice in here. Like, yeah. Let me see the gauges though. The gauges on here is pretty crazy. Look at the tach right in the center. That's pretty sweet. How do you change it? I don't even know. You know, I'm not gonna fuck with it. I'll just leave it the way it is, but I'm about to go drive around. This thing is completely stock, obviously, so let me pop the hood and take a look. Take a little listen, keep an ear out in case, you know, extra ears won't hurt. Good. That good old inline 5-cylinder. Inline 5-cylinder over here. 2.5. Turbo set back there. So it's pretty clean. As it should be. 2018, you know? Not that old. What's up, guys? So I'm about to drive this shit in sports mode. So I got this thing on sports mode right now. Let's see how it is. Damn, the DSG on this thing is crazy. Oh my god, it sounds so good. Oh shit, M4 pulling up to me. M4. M4 boys. goodness. I don't know. Damn, this stock exhaust sounds crazy. We gotta put it in dynamic mode too. Let's put in dynamic real quick. So the car does feel a little stiff because it is like a race car, like I guess they call it. But the car feels so much lighter though, for sure. Damn, makes my S4 feel like a boat. Nah, I'm exaggerating. Look at this guy. What are you doing, bro? Come over. Gee. Oh, excuse me. Here. Go ahead and play with the paddles. Got crackles on here already too. Shit feel nice. This car definitely handles really good. It's so light. Oh my goodness. Definitely pulls, bro. So pretty basic in here, I guess. Got your little bit of lights everywhere. This is pretty much.
the R8 tachometer though is crazy. So like the TTRS has the same motor as this car too. So like I think they call this like the baby R8. I feel like the TTRS is more like a baby R8 because like it's a coupe, flat, like, you know what I'm saying. This is more like a its own thing. Yo, this shit just pulls, bro. It just keeps pulling, dude. It's so light too, which is crazy. Might do a little takeoff over here to see. Brakes on here are definitely good. Handles so well. Damn, I never driven a car that handles this well, yo. That shit is crazy. So that was a fun drive actually. He didn't want to he didn't want to be in the video. He didn't want me to really show his car out too much because he's trying to keep it a little secret, I guess. The guy's gonna do like car shit and build it or whatever. You know how it goes. But yeah, the car is actually a beast. It's a blast to drive. If anybody's looking to get one, I definitely recommend it. But hey, here's my baby here, Audi S4. If you guys like to see like Audi S4 videos, definitely subscribe to my channel. I make videos on my S4 here, and maybe someday I'll probably get an RS3, make videos on that too. What you guys think? Should I get an RS3 someday or no? Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, let's head on out of here, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Tune in.